Alright, here you go guys. Tuesday, 29th of June 2021. And here we are at a job at Grey Road at West End. And the excavator operator has got is cleaning up right now. He's dug all that through. He's now got to dig the footing through there before he can drill the holes. So yeah, it's going well. Taking time, of course. That's quite hard, that shale. We've drilled all the holes on the other end. We've had the engineer in. They were here yesterday, all said okay. As anybody who does any excavation knows, when doing holes like this, if you got rock like that on that end, you've got to hit rock on all these holes. Otherwise, you're leaving it able to sink. You don't want that. If it's on soft dirt, it'll sink, and the front end won't. So we make sure that everything, we drill these down till we hit rock. And luckily, surprisingly enough, I thought this was going to take off down there and be 2 meters deep or more. This one is. This one's a deep one, but this is mostly fill. But down here, we're only a metre, 1200. 1200 to the rock. A metre to the rock here. So quite surprising. Yeah, a metre to 1200. So 4 foot down till we're in the rock. So we're about 200 mil in the rock on the bottom end here, which is great. I thought it'd be much deeper than that. And we hit rock all the way up as it goes up the bank up there. Now you can see where the bobcat is there as he pulls away. I'll show you where the rock line is. As he's pulling away now. If you can see that rock right there. See that yellow changing colour? That's the shale from there down. Then of course it goes through about a metre deep from here through underneath us. So it was great. Top, there's a hole there just where that top block is. It took him half an hour to dig that one because we had to get down. There's a step down in a retaining wall there. We had to get down below the retaining wall, so it took him half an hour to drill that. He just sat there and drilled away to get through that hard shale. But no, we've done well. Almost every hole down here done. There's a hole inside that sty there that we can't do, of course, until we move the sty. This one here, I've still got a bit of banging to do to get these blocks behind the post. The post is going to go right up hard against these sty blocks. So we've got to work that out. Still a couple of sty blocks to knock in yet to get that. The post is where? Here we go. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. That's where we've got to have it. And this sty is going to be right. Yeah, as we come down, she's going to be right up next to it. So we've got to knock a couple of blocks further in so we can get that stump to fit, because I want that line across the back. I don't want to leave that out. It's too hard to come back to later. At the moment, we use the sties to lift the house to our desired height. And of course, she's hanging a lot as it hangs down over here because of how far in the sties are. So we've got a bit of work yet to double check heights as we go through and get all that done. The boys are just cleaning the last few holes that we didn't clean yesterday. But the engineers have been through, they're happy. And they'll come back again once we get the holes done at the front. The posts arrive later on this week. We're off to another job tomorrow. And we come back and then pour these and put these in concrete next week, which will be great. All right, okay, that's where we're at. Aaron's got his work as the excavator. He's got his work to do the next few days. But no, she's going well. And they're 5 meters, well, a little over 4.5, 5 meters out of the ground, the back corner here. And as I told the engineer, I changed these. He had 4 mil on the plan. I've changed these to 5 mil. Not happy with 4 mil for that height. And most other engineers in town aren't either, but there are still a couple that are doing it at 4 mil. But yeah, don't do it. As soon as you go over 4 meters out of the ground, you don't want 4 mil. Quite a few engineers now, anything over 3 meters out of the ground, they change up to 5 mil. And for this height here, there are 1 or 2 engineers that actually make 6 mil. The original stumps that were on here, the 90 by 90s that were on, or 100 by 100s that were on there, they were all 5 and 6 mil. So That tells you the engineer back 20 plus years ago already wanted 5 and 6 mil on him. But you get what you get. Alrighty, I'll leave you to it. Thank you very much for joining us. Please, as I keep on saying, as everybody says on almost every video you'll ever get, hit the like button, okay? That little button just down there. That would be very much appreciated. Love you guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye.